AI generated code directly impact the quality of features developers. Hey there, this is Shakil Ahmed. Welcome to Dev Code Journey. Today we will talk about silent but serious risks affecting startup software company and deep learning system. AI generated code always safe to trust. Just imagine you running a software services company and your team use heavily AI generated code to move fast. Initially everything looks fine, but after development your client says that bug issue, performance issue, and security problem. At the moment, this problem technical just anymore. It's trust and reputation issue for your brand or your company. The same issue in deep learning system. Students submit assignment writing by AI without fully understanding logic behind the code. This is just not cheating. It's directly impact the quality of features developers. That's why code verification is essential. I'm using a tool called CodeSpy.AI for verification source code and identify whether this code is written human, AI generated or hybrid. CodeSpy process just a few seconds and saving my valuable time of manual code review. So let's go how it's work. CodeSpy.AI. This is CodeSpy.AI. At first you need to register. Simply add your name here and email and give a strong password and confirm password and then agree and click register. I have already an account, so that's why I click on login. Now when you log in, you can see a clean dashboard like this. You can side left bar reports, projects. Here you analyze your full project and upload your zip file. And here dashboard, you can check your activities. So let's try. At first we go to ChatGPT. And asks for a Java code. Here is a simple Java code. Just copy and back to CodeSpy.ai and paste here and select language type. It's a Java. Now click analysis. Here you can see 96% made by mostly AI. And when you click, if the result is this code appear contain AI and it's highly red mark. You can see. Okay, now I am checking my personal project code. To click my VS Code and this is my Java code. Select and copy back CodeSpy and paste here. Select the language type Java and click analysis. Just wait a bit. Now you can see when you click, this code does not appear to contain AI. Mean it's written by a human. It's working good. And here no issues. So you can easily CodeSpy.ai and here your activities reports and you can download this report. Okay, I recommended CodeSpy.ai for startup founders, development managers, QA and review team, educator and trainers. AI and one more thing, AI development faster, but we cannot trust it blindly. Without proper check, AI is risks inside of advantage. So using a smart tool like CodeSpy.ai and make your decision in the way to forward. CodeSpy.ai link in my pin comment and description. Create an account and pick a package what you need. For starting, I am using a consultant package. If you have any more question about CodeSpy.ai, just feel free to comment or DM us. We will try to inform you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.